Hi guys. All right, so I just wanted to give you a quick explanation of the assignment for lesson 7. So it says read the 10 6-word memoirs below and choose one that best describes your life. Then in the box below, tell me why it describes your life in at least 3 sentences, right? So name, class period, and then I give you 10 examples of 6-word memoirs, right? And then I just want you to choose one that best describes your life. All right, so I'm going to read them to you. I never believed this would happen. Still searching for that silver lining. I came, I saw, I conquered. So, what's up with you? What I didn't expect changed me. Make lemonade when life presents them. The hits just keep on coming. This time, I actually hit send. Peer pressure made me do it. Have yet to figure it out. So basically what I need you to do is you're just going to pick one of those, right? Select one. You can select multiple. I don't care. Um, and I want you to explain how the 6-word memoir you chose describes your life in 3 sentences, right? So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to go in depth, like I did in the lesson video, and then connect it to your regular life. So, say you choose the one that says make lemonade when life presents, um, when life presents them, sorry guys, then you're going to explain to me how that 6-word memoir connects to your life. Does that make sense? Like I said, you can choose more than one 6-word memoir. Just make sure that each of them connects to your life. I just need 3 sentences. It can obviously be more if you if you choose more than one memoir. This is not supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be super easy and fun. Please let me know if you have any questions.